Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at addition and subtraction of rational functions. If you've completed the previous quadratics videos in the playlist, then today's lesson will be a lot easier for you. So just a reminder, right? 2 over 7 plus 6 over 7, we add the top together, so 2 plus 6 over 7 gives 8 over 7 like that. Also here, 2 over 3 plus 4 over 5, we need common denominators, so times 5 over 5, here times 3 over 3, so we have 10 15 plus 12 fifteenths, and this gives 22 over 15 like that. And so we're going to be using this in today's lesson. Example 1, add or subtract. So here we have an addition. We notice that there's common denominators, so that gives 2x plus 4 over x plus 2. Factor out the 2 from the top. X plus 2 cancels, what's left is 2, and the restriction is x cannot be negative 2. Okay, B. X over x squared minus 4 minus 2 over x squared minus 4, common denominator, so this is x minus 2 over x squared minus 4. Difference of squares factors out x minus 2, x plus 2. X minus 2's cancel, what's left is 1 over x plus 2, and the restrictions are 2 and negative 2. Okay, C, 2 over x minus 2 plus 4 over x minus 3. We have different denominators here, so we're going to go times x minus 3 over x minus 3 like that, and then here we're going to go x minus 2 over x minus 2 like that. We're going to distribute 2x times 2 minus 3. So that's 2x minus 6 like that. 4x minus 8 like that. 6x minus 14 over x minus 2 times x minus 3. And the restrictions are x cannot be 2 or 3. Okay, D. We're going to factor this function here, x squared minus 2x minus 3. Product negative 3, sum negative 2. Those two numbers are negative 3 and 1. So this gets rewritten as x minus 3, x plus 1 like that. We're also going to factor this too, x squared minus x minus 6. Product negative 6, sum negative 1. Those two numbers are negative 3 and 2. So we write that there, x minus 3 times x plus 2. So here what's missing to make it all common is to have x plus 2 over x plus 2, and here we're going to have x plus 1 over x plus 1. And so we see here x minus 3's, x plus 2, and x plus 1, all common denominator now. So 3x times x, 3x squared, 3x times 2, 6x, x times x, x squared, x times 1, x like that. We combine like terms, 3x squared plus 1x squared gives 4x squared, 6x plus x gives 7x like that. And the restrictions are 3, negative 1, and negative 2. Okay, time for some practice. Practice number 1, add or subtract A, B, C, D. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. 5 over x plus 3 plus 2 over x plus 3. So this is 5 plus 2, 7 over x plus 3. Restriction cannot be negative 3. B, 3 over x squared minus 9 plus x over x squared minus 9. So it's a common denominator, so we have 3 plus x like that. Rewrite that as x plus 3 times x minus 3. X plus 3 cancels out. What's left is 1 over x minus 3. Restrictions, x cannot be 3 or negative 3, like that. C, we need common denominators. So here we're going to go times x minus 4 over x minus 4. Here we're going to go times x plus 1 over x plus 1. 6x minus 24, 3x plus 3 like that. Combine like terms, 9x minus 21 over x plus 1 times x minus 4. Restrictions, negative 1 and 4. Okay, D, 6z over x squared y minus 2 over xy cubed. So we're going to bring this up by going times y squared over y squared, and here we're going to go times x over x like that. So we have x squared y cubed, common denominator. So this is 6y squared z, and this is minus 2x like that. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.